Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on the option to hide profanity in our live caption function in Samsung S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility menu, and in here we have our hearing enhancements. In hearing enhancements at the top we have live caption. We can turn it on here, and here we have our hide profanity function. So what does it do? Profanity will be replaced with an asterisk symbol. So if we turn it on, now every known profanity known to the English language engine here will be hidden. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.